Isabel.
And me, Sophia.
Welcome to our channel.
And we're gonna make
Dresses for our Barbies. So subscribe to our channel and hit the like and hit the bell. So let's start the video.
Alright. Okay, let's start the video.
So you need scissors.
Yes, of course, scissors. We got
Like socks.
why is that so big? Guys,
I don't know.
can
It's
you
okay. It's
can
okay.
you see?
It's okay. It's okay.
I got a big one too, guys.
And actually Barbie, of course.
This Barbie.
Yeah.
Her hair is like
Mine is blonde. Okay, now let's start it. So
alright. I'm gonna pick this one because
I only have this one.
so you can have this one. We
Yeah,
got two. Alright, I'll show you guys. Here.
Yeah, here it is.
And this is Isabel's. We're actually the same, guys.
To be twins, of course.
We're not twins.
Yeah, but the Barbies. Okay, now
Alright, okay?
what do you do first?
Alright. Okay,
It's
first we
actually
need
first.
scissors. We need scissors to cut them easily. Very well.
Where?
Alright, first you have to do like this. Just flat it out like that. Then, I'll show you later the finished touch. So, like this. You can turn it like this or you can do it like this, okay?
I'm gonna do this. I mean like this.
It will be a dress, guys.
Yeah, don't worry.
And it can also be a skirt right over here.
Yeah. But you need to cut this part. Tiny bit.
First, guys, we're gonna cut. We're gonna fold it first. Here we go. We're gonna fold it. And we're gonna cut it like this. Okay? But cut only for the arms, okay,
Here?
guys? There we go.
Like this. Like here.
Like this,
Like,
guys. So
like
there's
this.
right here.
No! I don't know how, because it's actually my first time, guys.
Guys, I'm just gonna do this for Isabel for a minute and it won't take long, okay? There you go. What in the world did I do? For Isabel, she won't have a dress.
What?
It's not fun time. Alright, okay. I will cut it now. Right, I'm just gonna talk to her, okay? Look here, okay? Look here. Alright, she will have a top because she don't really know, so I'm gonna...
Where? Oh, it's up here? Here?
Yeah, like that. For me, I'm gonna make a dress, guys, alright? Like that, there you
I'm
go.
gonna cut now.
Oops, guys.
All of it? Like, all?
No, not all of it, just here.
I don't know, you do it. I don't know. So she's gonna... Oh, like
I cut
short.
this because it's a dress, Isabel. Really, I'll be in practice. Right, guys. Sorry, she don't really know. Alright, then this is my finished touch. I'm gonna put it on my Barbie.
Oh.
What's wrong with you? You're not yet done. Gonna show you guys. You can actually do it like this. Like this, guys. And it can also be...
I'm making...
It can also be like this,
I think
guys.
I'm gonna do
like
crop
this.
top. I don't know.
See? It's very cute.
Go back, of course.
Here you go. Look. Alright, this is our first dress.
No, I'm gonna remove all of it.
Alright, this is the first dress that we made. Don't worry, guys. The video is not yet done. There's more stuff to do. Alright?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give this to Isabel because she only has a top. So I'm gonna give her a skirt. Alright? So, yeah. Whatever, guys, that I have to say. Alright. Now, you can see the skirt. This is like when you put your foot inside. Like this. You have to do like this. Do like that. And do like this again. So it, and you cut it, the tip right here.
And I'm okay here at the back.
Yeah. You're not talking.
Just changing for it.
She's changing Barbie. She will let you see after she will do
Put
that.
it.
I'm gonna help her, guys. Alright. Don't mind us, right?
Okay. Let me do it. No. Okay.
I'm just gonna show you my Barbie because she's taking a long time. Alright, she's...
What did you say? I'm slow? I am missing the thumb. Okay.
She's so funny. Hey, come here.
Wait, the thumb.
Come here, oh.
Ooh, look at it. See? So this is with no
That we did.
yeah.
There you go. It's very cute, guys. It's a skirt right
You
here.
should try it out at home.
Yeah, and it's very
If
easy,
you're still
guys.
younger, help for your parents to use scissors.
Yeah, because it's very dangerous, guys. So, we do it like helping our moms. No, we don't need to help because we're
'Cause
already like,
they got-
I'm already 8 and she's already 7.
Yeah, but
We're not sisters.
no, of course not. We're not like the same phases.
Alright, this is her touch. This is mine, a beautiful dress.
This is mine.
The top and the
And the
skirt. Here we go in the next one. Alright, we're gonna move on to the next one. Alright, look at
So-
her Barbie.
Stop! Is it funny?
It's okay, it's okay. Alright,
Now I'm gonna use this.
now we're gonna do these. These guys, don't use like big socks. These are baby socks.
Yeah, but just for now.
Yeah. For now, we're gonna use this because it's very, very fit to Barbies.
Wait, can it fit? Yeah, it fit mine.
Yeah, and you can also cut this for not a skirt. It's for a hat, guys.
Guys, why? It's okay.
Alright, guys, let's move on.
You have your why?
Alright, we just changed scissors.
Yeah, cause
This is mine. It's like a green yellow. How about her?
mine is like orange, but little bit of yellows.
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
It's like a dress now already. It's like a dress now.
Oh wait, see, it's a long dress. Just I have a brilliant idea. See, this is for her.
Yeah, let's move on to our video.
Yeah, let's
Isabel. Right for
I lost my song.
yeah, already show this. Show your there. It's very stretchy, so we use this one. Okay, got my scissors. Now
Oh,
the
this
same
is
thing.
her made at home. And
Yeah,
she
and
also
it's
has
Isabella.
shoes.
She has I have a lot of these. This is not for sale. Right,
Of course
we're gonna show that to the next video. All of them. Now.
Fashion show.
Yeah, and we're gonna get all of our Barbies, you know.
Yeah, where's my socks? Okay, it's here.
Alright, okay, let's go. Let's do this now, guys. Alright.
I'm just
First, I
follow
don't
her.
really know how to do this, but yeah.
we're just gonna make it.
I'm just gonna cut a top. I really want a top. First, I'm gonna cut this one. Cut.
Right
So,
here.
guys.
Right this. Right here.
Alright, we're gonna cut
Here?
this.
Here. Here. Here.
What? Yeah.
Cut it all.
Wait, we're gonna cut. It's taking so long because the scissors don't really, don't really work with this, you know? It have to be like super sharp. Oh, come on!
This also I cannot.
And guys, please subscribe to our channel. Always
And
do that.
it's 112 our reviewers.
Yeah, we're almost like, we're only new in this video, so
Check out our first
video
and
that
this
we
is our
showed.
second video.
We showed our LOLs, our toys.
And I'm funny.
Yeah,
I'll
you should
do it
watch
already.
that. You should watch that, guys. Okay? This is so hard.
You have on a camera. Okay. I'm just like
Alright, for today we're
hey, you're
we're gonna do this one. This one is like only like, look, right? Can you see that? You can just do a cut right over here. That, like this.
Hey, that's mine.
Alright, I already cut the top.
Wait, where?
Very cute here. And I'm gonna get a skirt.
Not just done, guys. We're just doing ourselves like
You know, guys, you know the feeling that, sometimes if you do scissors very long, it gets hurt. Wasting time.
Yeah.
Except the scissors. Can you borrow your scissors?
Okay, we're just doing our like I'm just helping her to make a dress. Cause she don't have cut this part. Why do I cut this part? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I know.
Alright guys, look at mine. I'm gonna show you to my Barbie.
Wait.
I want that Barbie. I'm gonna change my Barbie, guys.
Jump out of this bed.
And guys, when is the next video? We're gonna make a swimsuit for our Barbies.
Yeah, with
Yeah, but
With balloons.
check that
This-
out.
Yeah.
But you have to wait it, okay? Because we're gonna do it maybe next time or tomorrow.
yeah.
But we
Or
have
at-
school.
on Sunday.
No, I have something to do on Saturday.
Okay. Now I'm done with the skirt, so I'm gonna just fit.
I'm gonna show you, right, guys? Look at mine. It's so cute.
Wait, I forgot.
We got a lot of more videos we didn't do, and we will be inviting our other friends for our
Challenges.
Yeah, challenge, tree marker challenge. Please check out our tree marker challenge video, but it's not yet actually posted, but just check out it, okay? Here is my finished look. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Alright, okay, bye guys!